Hey everybody, welcome back. Dr. Mike here. To help you get a handle on the best hair supplements that promote healthy DHT levels, keep watching for the top 5 hair vitamins for thicker, fuller hair. We're diving deep into the world of hair growth supplements because, honestly, who doesn't want luscious locks, right? We're counting down the top 5 supplements that could help you achieve fuller, healthier hair. Now, you guys know I'm all about giving you the facts, but remember, this is for informational purposes only, and not medical advice. What works for one person might not work for another. So, before you start adding a bunch of new pills to your routine, make sure you chat with your doctor first, okay? Results can vary, and we want you to be safe and informed. First up, let's talk about Biotin. You've probably seen this one plastered all over hair, skin, and nails supplements, and for good reason. Biotin is a B vitamin that's essential for cell growth and the production of keratin, which, guess what? It's a major component of our hair. Think of keratin as the building block of your hair strands. Biotin swoops in like a construction worker, making sure there's enough keratin to go around, leading to stronger, healthier hair. And listen, I know we love a good before and after, but remember, results take time. Don't expect miracles overnight. If you're considering adding Biotin to your routine, remember to talk to your doctor about the right dosage for you. Alright, next up is collagen. You probably associate collagen with youthful skin, but hold on, it's a powerhouse for hair growth too. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to our bodies, including our hair follicles. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that supports your hair from the inside out. It helps maintain the strength and elasticity of your hair strands, reducing breakage and promoting growth. And let's be real, who doesn't want thick, voluminous hair? We all lose hair naturally, but collagen can help minimize that shedding and give you that mane you've always dreamed of. Just remember, consistency is key. Now let's talk about Saw Palmetto. It's a natural ingredient that comes from a type of palm tree. This one's especially interesting for folks who are worried about hair loss, and yeah, that includes male pattern baldness. So, why does it matter? Well, Saw Palmetto has actually been studied for its potential to block DHT. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone that can shrink your hair follicles, which leads to hair loss. Saw Palmetto basically swoops in like a bodyguard, protecting your follicles from the damaging effects of DHT. Now, more research is always a good thing, but the early studies on Saw Palmetto are pretty promising, especially for people in the early stages of hair loss. And hey, just remember, it's always best to check with your doctor before adding Saw Palmetto to your routine, especially if you're taking any medications. Okay, let's shed some light on vitamin D. We all know it's super important for bone health, but did you know it actually plays a role in hair growth too? Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to hair loss, so getting enough of this sunshine vitamin is really essential for healthy hair follicles. You can kind of think of vitamin D as the fertilizer for your hair follicles, helping them thrive and produce healthy hair. If you're not getting enough vitamin D from sunlight or your diet, a supplement might be worth considering. But remember, just like with any supplement, it's important to talk to your doctor about the right dosage for you. Too much of a good thing can sometimes backfire. Last but not least, let's talk about iron. This mineral is like the delivery service for your hair follicles, making sure they get the oxygen they need to grow strong and healthy. When your body is low on iron, it can actually lead to iron deficiency anemia, which is a condition that can cause hair loss. So think of iron as the fuel that keeps your hair follicles running smoothly. If you're not getting enough iron from your diet, it's kind of like running your car on empty. Eventually, it's just going to stop working. Iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and beans are awesome natural sources. But if you're concerned about your iron levels, definitely talk to your doctor about whether a supplement is right for you. So there you have it, our top 5 hair growth supplements to help you get those luscious locks you've been dreaming of. Remember, consistency is key, and results really do take time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more skincare and hair care tips. And hey, be sure to share your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Most importantly, before starting any new supplement, always consult with your healthcare provider to make sure it's right for you. Stay beautiful, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.